there's nobody here to celebrate.
No. So...
Only my favorite dog.
My dog is right here, so you can record him.
It's a girl.
I can't see. Oh, there he is.
She's a girl. She has a boyfriend. I want her to have fun.
And she's a real girl. And so she likes barking. And she bites his stomach. And we take all the babies out. And we put the stomach back and sew it off. And then, so we have something new. We have a present that we like. So we sort of have to hide eggs. This is my cake right there.
Wait, let me take it. Where?
Right here. And so
We need the candles.
the candles are right here.
Wait, one's gonna get it. You left your cake by yourself. Maria.
Oh,